Menteri Rang Bak Jylla Meghalaya ukon rat ke sama lo ang Bak Jylla Meghalaya akan sepelong yak Lympung ilakai North East Olympic Games hajar puar Hadien bon Snem. Yak Lympung North East Olympic Games an sepelong naduk kaspotrik haduk hadritrik ubnai nai wing. Habakren sekinong patai kubor usang mau lo ang bakane kadairu kasin kebaar Bak Jylla ke yok ban penlong yak ni ke Lympung. Kat kum kajingnya tu jong Menteri Rang Bak Jylla kathan dalam mi kadon bon bak kini kai ke batrang dik yakum kini kijat Lympung ilakai. Da ka bakubur ru bakani kadai kijing ke bakrau bha nagabanta ke Jylla balak ban penlong bat penyat yakani ke Lympung lapan tiap ba kila don ru palat yakila hajar ngut kirang bat kithe ilakai ke ban sistem bantah kan ke Lympung ilakai ke bakrau.
The Northeast has a large number of athletes and sports persons who are longing for this kind of an opportunity and this kind of games to happen. So hence we decided that Meghalaya will host the Northeast Olympics, and it was a big challenge because a lot of arrangements had to be made. But after doing all of this, finally we are here to witness the games taking place, and today we saw the football match taking place, and it was very exciting, of course, and we really look forward to the next few days where we will see other disciplines and other games happening.
Ya kata masa kebaar